Hey, what's up guys? This is Yasha from Crisp Tech back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the PX-3200 for a gaming keyboard from Perixx. And a few days ago, as you guys may have seen, I unboxed that keyboard and did a review, unboxing and an overview. So today I'm going to review that keyboard. I've been using it for about 4 days now, so let's get started. So first, when I got the keyboard, I have a very small desk, as you guys can see. So it's a huge keyboard. Everything does fit on there, but now it's more cramped, and I had to move my monitor back and stuff, and get like a little stand for it and so on. So it was a bit too big at first, but I really liked it because of the macro customizable keys and the feel of the keyboard. It feels mechanical, but it's just a standard, regular, no cherry keys or anything. So I really like that. And then I also really like the backlit because at night when I have the keyboard and my lights are off, the backlit really stands out at night, and I really think that was a cool. And I've never owned a backlit keyboard. I've just owned like a regular Logitechs and wireless keyboards like that, but I do experience a lot of latency in those. So I really liked how this keyboard was like right when I typed, it was pretty quick on that. There was no latency or anything. Another thing that I liked along with the USB was that it also included a microphone and a headphone jack, so I can just hook up my headphones right on the keyboard itself, so I don't have to plug it in my desktop PC right down there or anything like that. And like it keeps the cable out of the way, and you know, because I have long headphones, so sometimes when I have it plugged in the desktop, I roll over it with like the wire for the headphones over with my chair or something when I move around. So when it's in the keyboard, it's just hanging and it's not getting in the way. So I really like that. Another thing that I liked about this keyboard was how natural it felt. And again, I really like that. I'm emphasizing that because I really like that feeling in a keyboard, and I wasn't really used to gaming keyboard or anything. So but this keyboard, I really liked it. But a couple of things that I didn't like are that it was huge, and it's a fingerprint. Like for me at least, I don't know if it's about just my fingers that are like, because I have oily hands, so I don't know if it's just my fingers, but it leaves fingerprints on there and stuff. So I didn't really like that. But other than that, I really like this keyboard, and I think that I would recommend this to anyone who's looking for a gaming keyboard, because it's great with the 12 macro keys and stuff. So I really like that. And in that video, I did say that I was gonna go over the software in this video, but I couldn't get my computer to for my screen capturing software to work. So as soon as I get that to work, I'll be making that video and putting out another video just going over the software itself and all the features that it offers, because it is a great software, and it is a bit glitchy and stuff, and it crashes a lot, but when you get it to work, it works great. But another thing that I didn't like is the CD. The CD that came in the box was not really that useful at all, because as I said in that video, like you can just get the software off their site, but afterwards I did try to load the CD up, and it wasn't really that good, and it was like old software, and it was just too complicated. So I just got the software off of the website, and it was much easier, and it was simple, and like any other software that you get for anything. So I would just suggest that you go on their website. If you just look up Perixx, whatever product you have, and the drivers, you'll find it. Or I will leave a link in the description for you guys to get that, because their software is really helpful. but sometimes it does crash and it's not, it's a bit glitchy. But if you get it to work, it works really well. If you want to see the overview of the keyboard, of all the functions on the keyboard and everything, I'll leave an annotation on the screen right over here, and you guys can go back and look at that. I unboxed it and went over all the features. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And I do have more coming out every week. I upload every weekend, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It's mostly Sundays, but I try to be on Sundays, but I do upload early sometimes. So be on the lookout for that. And leave a comment in the description below if what you guys think about the keyboard, and if you guys have one, if you like it or not. Just let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media sites. I am pretty active on Snapchat mostly, and you get exclusive like behind the scenes of of the video, like before I'm recording or anything. I do post stuff on there, so be sure to follow me on that. I have all the links in the description, and then I'll also have, for Snapchat, I'll have a little picture right here that you can just point your camera to and just focus it on there, and it'll add me. And if not, I'll also have my username on the bottom, so if it doesn't work. That's about it, guys. This has been Yash from Crisp Tech, and thanks for watching this video, and see you guys next time. Peace.